Hi, Clancy Boyer here, MarineMax, Fort Myers, Florida, here aboard Living the Dream. It's a 400 Sundancer, a 2018 model. We're going to take a look at all the options and the features and show you why this is a special boat. First of all, we're back here in the aft area. I'm in the shade. We have a great Sure Shade setup. Moving back, we have a grill setup that's still underneath the shade. Flip up faucet, sink. Lots of storage underneath. Okay, so one of the great features about this boat is a hydraulic swim platform. This can be controlled with a remote control that you have, so if you take off and you're coming back with a jet ski, or you're coming in from the beach, whatever you're doing, you can control it here, or you can control it from the remote. As the swim platform lowers, you can see the steps cascade out, which is a great feature. No more jumping up to get back up on the main deck. You can see it lowers down very low. I'm not going to go any lower than that here in this area. But a really great feature on the back of the boat. All right, we have teak in this area, a nice teak table, some coolers that are built in, lots of storage underneath the seats. Very special item here in the corner that's pretty rare. This is actually a cold box, so it has a refrigerated section to give you more refrigeration on the boat. It's like a power cooler, if you would. And then the sliding doors open up and you have the continuous seating going all the way around. So come on aboard and let's take a look inside. All right, here we are inside of the 400. This is a 2018 model. It's equipped with the bed sofa here, so you pull this out, you have extra cushions that go in and an extra sleeping zone for somebody. So you not only have two staterooms, you have sleeping area up here. We have a television here, some down below, and they're all controlled with the new satellite system that's just been installed on the boat at about a $10,000 price tag. So that's really nice. You not only have your local channels, but you also have satellite TV. Complete stereo system, lots and lots of storage. The Cummins 480s, as you'll see in the equipment list, the largest propulsion you can put on this boat, so a very good power plant. It's also controlled with a joystick docking, which makes it very easy to dock the boat just with the joystick. So coming through, we have the hardwood floor, 2-burner stove, cooktop, keep your pans from sliding off. Microwave, lots and lots of storage, built-in sink, cutlery, storage for your silverware. Up at the dash, this boat has got full electronics. So you have twin Ray Marines. Over here you have autopilot system, you have automatic trim tabs, push button starting, and then the joystick. So this boat is equipped with a lot of glass, and that's one thing people really like about this boat, the way the glass dips down, and so for your guests sitting in the back area, they're able to see out the windows, they get a good view. You also have this huge opening up above you for a moonroof that closes up. It's a hardtop, so no canvas that's rattling around. That's one of the great things about this boat. Sea Ray really thought it out to get rid of the canvas. For those of you that have boats with canvas in the areas, you know how much fun it is taking that off and putting it back up. So Sea Ray's gotten away from all that. You have nice bow seating, you have cushions out front, and a speaker system out front, full stereo system on this boat, and we'll take a look down below and see what it looks like. All right, here we are down in the guest suite. This is a unique setup. You have twin beds here that you pull out the little tray in between, and the beds actually slide together, so you have a larger bed. You have a lot of storage over here on the side. These cabinets open up. That's where your cushions are stored for the bunk up above. You have these window covers that are fantastic. They really block the sun. We don't have those up right now, but you put those over the windshield and the side windows, and it really blocks the sun out and gives you privacy at night when you're spending the night on the boat. So this is a large area. You have a safe hidden over here on the side. You have central vac system that hooks up. All of that's stored in the closet over here. A lot of big windows, a lot of light on this boat. One of the great features of it. So let's take a look at the master. All right, so you're really in for a treat here. This is a fantastic area. Lots and lots of storage. Again, big windows. You have a bed that you're able to get to from both sides, so no crawling over each other. This is a special area on this boat. So as I open this up, you'll see that there's a massive closet in here, hanging closet, then another large storage area on this side. This is unique in the fact that you pull this out, it can become a makeup area, a desk, whatever you want it to be. You need a place to sit, and you don't want to bring a chair in. So Sea Ray thought of that also. There's a self-storing locker that you can pull out and use. On the other side, there's another full hanging closet. Down below, there's a closet that goes full length. So for ladies' dresses, a suit, anything like that that you don't want to get wrinkled, you can hang that up down below, and it's a very large closet down there. On this boat, you have private access to the head. So if you have guests on board, you're able to lock them out and have privacy at the same time. So let's take a look at the head. Okay, here we are in the head area. And if you've seen my other videos, you've seen the Beam Me Up Scotty, the shower system. Very cleverly done by Sea Ray. Eliminates the use of the curtains that pull and things like that. So it's really a neat setup and really helps enhance the space. Gives you lots of storage back behind it. So you have private access from the master, or you have guest access from up above. So let's take a look up top real quick. All right, so some of the quick main features and enhancements on this boat to point out again. You have the large opening roof. This particular boat has the opening side windows, which were an option. It's great for the captain to be able to open a window and communicate, throw a line, whatever at the dock. You have the joystick docking, which makes it very easy. So the props are in cooperation with the bow thruster, and it makes it easy to dock the boat. It's equipped with full electronics, great stereo system, sky view type entrance down into the lower area, so you're not going through a door and crawling down or anything like that. It's just a free flow, nice light going down. It's just really a comfortable area to be in. This particular boat has the master up front, the guest suite, but it also has a sleeping area right here. Another thing that Sea Ray did on these boats, that's pretty cool. Instead of having a big cabinet on the side with all of the controls, you just lift up these backrests and things are stored below. The keys, all the switches, things like that, so it's out of sight, out of mind, but you don't have the big ugly cabinet in a corner that other boats traditionally have. Satellite TV's just been added to this boat at a $10,000 price tag, so it's equipped, ready to go. The owners just pulled the boat out of the water, had it totally detailed, had it waxed. They said they wanted it to be ready to go for the next owners. They've had the boat and are decided to move up and go larger. So they're offering this boat for sale. Give me a call at MarineMax in Fort Myers. My name is Clancy Boyer. My number is 573-470-7776. Thanks for watching.